Today I am gonna share you 5 amazing tips about this pencil. This is a woodless graphite pencil. Do watch till the end, because at the end I'm gonna share you an amazing tip. So let's get started. Tip number 5, quality. The quality of this woodless pencil is totally amazing. It has fine quality graphite, as you can see here, and it literally has no wood. So that's a very good thing, and that's an advantage. You could shade and press the paper like this, and then you could shade it. So that's a very good thing. The quality of this pencil is totally amazing. Just totally amazing. The graphite, it works super cool. It does work properly, and of course, but this pencil doesn't last longer. But if you see an ordinary pencil right here, this pencil lasts much longer than this woodless pencil. But yeah, if you lose this one, yeah, this would last longer. Okay, so this pencil, I just want to say the quality of this pencil is amazing. The wood, the texture, it looks dark jet black, so you can't, you know, in these wooden pencils you have that white patch right there, but in this one it's only black and black and black, and black and black meaning only graphite. So, but the thing is that this pencil is much heavier compared to this one. If you see both of them, this one's much heavier, and this is light. Yeah, because it's wood. Wood is much lighter than the graphite, fully graphite pencil. And of course, the cost of this pencil. Yeah, if you lose this pencil, you could buy another one. But yeah, this costs much more than this ordinary one, because you know you have fully graphite, and graphite, fully graphite costs much more than wood. Yeah, wood, you get wood everywhere, so wood is much cheaper than graphite. So that's about the quality. So the quality is amazing. So better don't lose this pencil if you're buying this, and keep it safely, use it safely, and use it wisely. So quality was amazing. So I think I would rate this pencil 3 on 8/5. Okay. Moving on to the 4th point, which is color. The color of this jet black pencil is just black. As you know, an ordinary pencil like this has these colors right here, the yellow and the black, and it has many different designs. But if you see this one, it is totally black. You can see black, no graphite, no wood, and totally black right there. Everything's black. But over here, you see the colorful pencil. Some black, which is the graphite, the white, the yellow and black, again the razor, and some white part right there. So these are this is just a colorful pencil, but this amazing only black pencil. You can't differentiate between the lid and the cover of the pencil, so which makes it totally black. So this looks exotic when you see it, and if you see both of them together, I bet you would choose this, because the looks of this pencil, boom, amazing. Okay, this is amazing, so amazing. So before we get to point number 3, I just want to tell you, if you're enjoying this video, then please like this video, and do hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and of course share this video with your family and friends. Okay, so let's move on to point number 3. Okay, so moving on to point number 3, the 3rd point. Okay, so this woodless pencil is shading, the 3rd point shading. So actually I will create another whole video on shading, because you know the woodless pencil shading take a lot of time to explain every single thing. So I'll upload another video about this woodless pencil shading. So let's move on to the next point. Point number 2. Okay, so the 2nd point is sharpening. You can see this sharpener here. This is an ordinary sharpener, nothing special in this. So when I sharpen this, see the graphite comes out. You know, all sharpeners do that. But you sharpen an ordinary pencil, you could see, just a minute, sharpening this, and you could see this white part that comes out. So this white part isn't there when you sharpen with this graphite. You just get that inner black charcoal, not charcoal, black graphite powder. This is what you get, black powder. Okay, so that when you sharpen the whole thing, the whole powder gets wasted. So instead of doing that, I recommend you to use a sharp blade or anything sharp and to cut it only where it has been less sharpening, because the sharpening sharpens the whole graphite and it will be wasted. So better use a blade or a sharpening to sharpen this woodless pencil. So that's my suggestion to you all guys. And sharpen properly, don't waste the graphite. Otherwise, if you sharpen and keep on sharpening it, as you know, in an ordinary pencil, you sharpen the wood. You sharpen the wood, it's okay, but you sharpen most of the graphite, it gets wasted. The graphite gets wasted. Over here, you only sharpen very less graphite, because the amount of graphite in an ordinary pencil is very less. And this, it's a lot. So sharpen properly using a blade or any sharpener. That's my recommendation. So this is a disadvantage about this pencil. So I would give this 1 on 5 stars. So coming to the last point number 1, which is saving trees. So as you know, this woodless pencil, in the name woodless, meaning no wood. And you know that wood is, as you all know, that wood is obtained from trees. And saving trees, yeah, it could save from deforestation. If you buy all of these pencils, the whole world buy this pencil instead of these ordinary pencils, this could change the whole world. It could save the whole world from deforestation. It could make a big impact. As you start buying these pencils, it could make a big impact. I recommend you buying this pencil. Saving the world, save trees, save wood, save the world, save the Mother Earth. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. And I'll also be ready with another one coming soon. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. And click this video right here and another video right here and the subscribe button right on my face. Okay, so please do that. And I hope you like this video. Thank you and bye bye.